Hey guys, so this is my current setup today, and today I'm actually gonna upgrade the case, CPU, RAM, and motherboard. So right now I'm running Ryzen 5900X, and this is the case I'm going switching to. This is the NZXT Flow H6 RGB. And these are the parts I'm putting on that case. So we got the Ryzen 7950X3D. We got a Aorus X6070 motherboard and 64 gigs of RAM kit. So I'm gonna first start off here putting these parts in this case, and then I'm gonna move the other parts like the SSD, GPU, and power supply.